Pinball circuit activated.
All right, we are back after a little bit of a break. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video. I did not forget. I have not quit restoring games. Just took a break. And big reason for the break was that I moved. We moved about 10-15 minutes away from our previous house. And it's been a process. If you haven't moved in 17 years, it's amazing how much crap you accumulate. Anyhow, so the good news is that I went from using my third bay of my 3-car garage to using 2 of my 4 bays in this garage. So it's a much bigger space. I've got a lot more area. It's really quite a nice space now to work in. So we're back, and I just wanted to kind of give an update and say that sorry I haven't uploaded in a little bit, but there is a reason, and hopefully we'll get some good games going. So just to kind of tell you where I'm at, you probably see this game. This is my own Pinbot that I'm doing. This game will be at TPF, Texas Pinball Festival, in March. So if you're there, feel free to come by and give it a play. As you can see, it's kind of blinged out. I did this because it was my own game. So it's got a new CPR playfield in it. It's got some custom laser etched plastics and stuff that I'll show you when it's all ready to go. It's got obviously brand new art that was custom done by a buddy of mine. And these are decals with the custom art now. And we've got fully powder coated all the way around. Redid all the speakers. It's got a new CPR back glass to go in it. So it's going to be pretty cool. And I'm pretty excited about it. I'm going to LED light the bottom. So it'll be red on one side, blue on the other. So it's going to be a really cool Pinbot. It's my personal one. It's going to be for my personal collection. So I'll walk you guys through that. I didn't video this restoration because it was so intermittent of when I was able to get out here and work, and between that and moving and trying to get things put away in this garage and get things functional. So I'll put a video on that one a little bit later once we get a little closer. I am going to do a video because there's a switch matrix problem on this game. So I'm going to do the next video I put up here probably in a day or two is going to be walking through that switch matrix and how you do switch matrix issues, how you test for them, and hopefully showing you how I fix it. So I'll talk about my production schedule just a little bit, where we're at. So I've got this game to finish, and it's almost done. It's really very, very close. It's got this switch matrix problem I got to sort out, but otherwise it's kind of almost ready to go. So after this game, I have a Bally $6 Million Man that's over there that I will be doing for an arcade up in Oklahoma. That's next. I'm hoping to get that done by March. After that, I have a friend of mine who's asked me to restore his Data East Jurassic Park. So I'll be doing that one next. That will probably be in the spring. I'm thinking after Texas Pinball Festival, I should be able to get to that game. And then after that, yeah, I'm gonna take a break from doing other people's games and just do my own games, because you can't really see the stack over here, or maybe you can. But I've got a lot of games that I need to get through, and they're all mine. So I've got a Taxi that's mine that I want to do. I have a Theater of Magic that I want to restore. I've got a Funhouse that is mine that I want to redo. I've got the conversion of a Stern Wildfire over to a Quicksilver and an original Quicksilver, Stern Quicksilver, that I just need to go through. I'm going to use the original one as a template to do the Wildfire conversion. It's going to be my first attempt at a conversion. We'll see if it works. And then once I'm done with the conversion and using the original as a template, I'm just going to kind of clean up the original. It's in very good original shape, and sell it on to somebody who wants an original Quicksilver. I've got my Whirlwind that I've been meaning to redo for a while. I've owned that game for probably 7 years now. And I've got a new playfield for that, and I'll do some custom artwork for it similar to this and bling that one out because I love that game. I recently acquired a Lethal Weapon 3 for a very cheap price. So that one is really just going to be a cleanup and get it working, replace the things that are broken and probably sell it on to somebody who wants a good, starter entry game. And then I have a Road Kings, and I don't know what the heck I'm going to do with that Road Kings. I bought it, again, for a very low price. Probably it's one, the cabinet needs to be redone. I can't resell it to somebody with the cabinet in the shape it's in, so I'm probably going to redo the cabinet and then just clean up the playfield and sell that one on again as kind of a starter game to somebody. So that's the production schedule. Once we get through, get this one done and get the $6 Million Man done, and I'll document the $6 Million Man restoration, I'll document the Jurassic Park, and then we'll take some votes from the people that actually watch these videos, if there are any, as to which one I do next. I'm leaning towards the Taxi, but I would also consider Funhouse or Theater of Magic to do. So that's it for this update. Next video up in a little bit will be the switch matrix things on this Pinball.